Welcome to the latest and most effective PLR video training designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of private label rights content on behalf of your offline or online business success. We're so excited to have you here, and we know this will be very helpful for you. This complete and high-quality video training will surely help you learn exactly what you need to know about PLR and why it is such an amazing shortcut for any offline and online business, including yours, as well as how to get the most out of it in order for your product or services to stand out from the crowd. This is exactly what you're going to learn from this video training. In video number 2, you will learn what PLR is. We will give you the easiest definition for it, and we will also show you what type of content rights there are for you to pick from, so you can differentiate why PLR is the most profitable one. In video number 3, you will learn why PLR content is such an amazing shortcut to take your product or services to the next level, and see the amazing benefits you can get from it. We will explain important reasons as low cost, time saving, guarantee talent, how millions of businesses and thousands of marketers urgently need it, as well as how it is an extremely hot topic nowadays. In video number 4, you will learn 25 plus awesome ways PLR content can be used by offline marketers, online marketers, and businesses, as well as a really cool PLR content checklist on how to deal with PLR content the proper way. In videos 5 through 11, we will even give you access to our 7-step secret formula to PLR success, using one of the most effective methods to make great money over the web with PLR content. We will cover topics like researching a hot topic, collecting high-quality PLR material, how to properly rewrite PLR content, as well as how to make your product a lot more unique. We will even show you how to organize and set up a killer sales funnel with PLR content, the exact same sales funnel that even gurus use. You will even learn how to advertise your product once it's complete as well. Finally, in video number 12, you will learn what tracking is, why it's so important for your offline or online success, and what tracking tools you can use so you can get the most out of it. Well, it's time to dominate the PLR market, guys. I know you'll love this video training very much, so see you in video number 2.